What is up, everyone? Welcome back into the channel. If you're new, thank you for stopping in today. I am the GM man. So here in the background, we are up at the big shop. We have the 79. I've been fighting with a power steering leak on this thing for some time now. I'm gonna go ahead and address it. I believe it's one of the main lines that come off the back of the power steering pump. As you can tell, it's dripping right down there. Right up in there. I'm hoping that's what it is. So I'm going to take the one line off because I already took it off one time and put some thread tape on there, but I don't know if it held. So I'm going to put a little bit more on there, just try and tighten it down as best as I can. Hopefully it holds. I know sometimes that thread tape doesn't hold very well, and to some liquids it will like dissolve and stuff. So I'm hoping I can take that off, address that real quick, get it changed. We have more power steering fluid here. And then I have some of that Lucas stop leak stuff we're actually gonna be probably tossing in it as well, just to kind of plug any other holes. But yeah, that's what we're gonna be working on today. I also have the steering shaft upgrade that I need to work on, but I don't think I'm gonna do that today because I have to take out that piece up there and then this piece down here. Then there's a little spot you gotta grind off and then slide the new shaft on. Probably just wait to do it. See if I can get this pump leak addressed. I believe it's that one right there, that little U where you can see my finger. That's leaking. We'll get that one pulled off, throw some tape on there, thread it back on, and hopefully it holds. So let's go ahead and jump on in. Okay guys, so we got the line taken off, which was laying down there. I got some Teflon tape on it. But what I call the little plunger mechanism inside of the power steering pump, there's like a little spring. It came out, and then there's a big 1-inch nut that threads on, which is right here. That goes in there, and then your line actually threads in. I put Teflon tape on it as well. I checked that O-ring, make sure it was good. It looks fantastic. So we're gonna go ahead and get this threaded back into the back of the reservoir here. And then the line will thread in here and go underneath of that clamp, then run up on the back, and that's what threads into here. The line is 5/8, this is 1 inch, like I said. So hopefully with all this tape, taking it apart, kind of just cleaning everything, that it will be ready to go. I believe it's that line. I haven't checked this one yet, but I don't see any like cuts or anything in it. So we're gonna hopefully put this back together, throw some fluid in it, we'll start it up and see what happens. So fingers crossed, that's all it is. I'll let you guys know. Like I said, I got Teflon tape on that side, Teflon tape on this side. We're gonna get it threaded in there and we'll see what happens. Okay guys, so we got everything in there, tightened down, filled up. We're not dripping anywhere. I did spill a little down the back side, so I'm just gonna kind of let it drip dry real quick. Need to wipe it up, wipe all the cross members, and then we're gonna start it up. Give it a few turns, see if it leaks anywhere. Like I said, I did put thread tape on that one, and then the inch, and then the 5/8 one that goes into the back of the actual pump there, like right here. So I'm hoping it holds. I need to wipe everything off real quick, climb underneath, double check it. But then like I said, we're gonna start it up and then hopefully everything holds, so fingers crossed. Well, everything is tightened down, put back together. We put that thread tape on everything just to make sure. Threw some Lucas oil on there, put about a half a jug of power steering fluid in there. I've had a few people when I do projects like this on the 79 or the 98, if I could rate it on how difficult it would be, I'll just say 1 being easy to 10 being difficult. I'd give something like this on the 79, the power steering lines, probably a 3.5 to 4 out of 10. Older vehicles power steering lines are pretty simple. It just kind of got to get in there some weird angles, and then if you don't have the right tools, it can kind of be a pain in the butt. But it took me probably 30 minutes to break everything free. Not too time consuming. Newer vehicles I probably wouldn't even attempt just because of how cramped the engine bay compartment is. But no, something on the 79, fairly simple. The next upgrade we're going to be doing is the front drive shaft going back in. I have it. I just need to get it underneath there, throw the straps on and bolt it down. And then the new steering shaft, it's actually the XJ steering shaft. We'll be doing that here soon. Shouldn't be too difficult on it either. But I hope you guys enjoyed the videos on the 79 here. I have some content coming for the 98. We did find out what was wrong with it. It ended up being the anti-theft control module. So I ordered a new one, numbers matching, fully rebuilt, tested, everything like that. So I'll have to do the relearn process on it, get it going, and then we have some pretty big stuff coming for it. So stay tuned, guys. Remember, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'm the GM man, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.